You can sure smell moisture down in this basement. Moisture comes in the form of a real musty odor, and if you have that in a crawl space or in a basement like we have here, it means there's moisture wicking up through the concrete, through the walls, and venting into the basement, giving you that real musty, clammy odor. And you want to get rid of that because that relative humidity, that's the moisture, makes your furnace system this work that much harder, or your electrical heating system that much harder, because you got to heat the moisture before you get the home up to that comfort level. Now, how do you get rid of the moisture? Well, I'm going to install a Humidex system. As you can see, it's 8 foot high, has a vent in the bottom where the cold, moist air goes in. It's drawn up through the unit, and around the back I'll show you where it's exhausted to the outside. Now I'm all ready to put the outside wall cap in place, take my measurements, and install the wall cap, which goes on the outside of the home, allowing the air to be exhausted to the outside. So I'll drill a hole now. Now we've got the hole prepared and we've got the duct all ready to receive the outside wall cap, but I've chose not to use this one here. The reason why, as the condensation moisture comes out of the wall cap, it could stain the stucco. So I'm going to go with a flush mount unit, allowing the air to go direct out into the atmosphere and dissipate. Now I'm going to put a couple of beads of caulking on the back. This will allow the unit to be nice and tight against the stucco. And then we have put 4 screws to hold it in place. This is the speed control. You have minimum, maximum. And I have it set at maximum now because we want to vent that moist air out of here as quick as we can and as short a time as possible, because we want to get rid of that moisture as fast as possible. Now this is a basement application. You may want to vent a crawl space. Same type of equipment, but a little bit shorter in length. That gets rid of all that moisture, that costly moisture, in that basement application. So let's get it outside through the Humidex system.